Okay, today I'm here to talk about how to take a spreadsheet in Excel, in either Excel format or in CSV format, and generate a model, generate a reader, and generate the view to display. This really makes it easy when you have large spreadsheets with many columns. Of course, this one only has 3. But who would want to type all those models up? So let's get started here. This is the Excel spreadsheet. I'll close that up. And here we're going to create a new project, an ASP.NET Core web application. And web app spreadsheet. Let's create that. We'll make it an MVC app. All right. Our controller, our models, and our view. Of course, not much in here at the moment. Go ahead and run this little program I wrote called Spreadsheet Converter. We will give it the namespace web app spreadsheet. We will call the class name applications, and we will load that worksheet that we just saw. And here we've generated the model called applications. We'll go ahead and bring that over. We'll go ahead and copy and paste this, and we'll create a new model. Add class applications. There we go. That looks good. And next thing we'll do is add a helper. Let's add a folder called helpers. And here's the reader code, which we'll put in helpers. And it has a little note here showing you the required NuGet packages. Go ahead and copy that to a class called read Excel file. We can see that we don't have these classes at the moment. Let's go ahead and hit NuGet for NPOI and NPOI mapper. Here's NPOI. Let's install that. And NPOI mapper. There we go. All right, those went away. Now let's look at a controller code. This will go into our index, and it should read that spreadsheet wherever we selected it from. We'll come over to our home controller and our index, and we'll put that right in here. Need the proper using. And using system.io for file stream. That's good. All right, that looks good. Now this is going to read the spreadsheet. It's going to call that read Excel file that we just put in the helpers. It's going to open that file, and we're going to read it in and shoot it out. Let's check out the index. And here we have the view. So all we have to do is copy and paste this as well. We'll put it right in here. We'll paste it. Looks pretty good. We'll save it. Let's build this. And let's see what happens. And there we have the output that we saw in our spreadsheet. Now we could store this data as a list of collections in blob storage, or store it with Entity Framework to a database. If you'd like to go through this a little bit, let's take a look. Of course, the home controller is getting the name. Read Excel file, this is just a new instance of our Read Excel, which takes in a file stream, creates a new mapper from the NPOI mapper, and then selects the values from the first sheet into our model called applications, and then converts it to a list and returns it, which we see right here. And then we pass this list of applications onto the view, and the view does a for each on each one of those and just spits out the output. Looks pretty easy. Thanks.